Hey there, I've just been doing a little bit of excavating in this Avenida Angelica wall here. This is the wall connecting into the kitchen. So what I want to do, we've got, excuse all the stuff still wrapped up, but the window that side, and I want to connect through to a replacement window that side and open the kitchen space by taking out this wall here. So I've been digging in to find, let's find some tools, I can explain it to you better. Now these buildings are largely concrete construction, so you've got lots and lots of beams that take up the load of the building. And then the internal walls are built from bricks. And now you can tell the difference between them. You've got the red brick, and then you've got the concrete beams. Very different sound, because the concrete is very, very hard. So I've got a beam going up here, there's a beam going across the top, and it goes back down there. So that will cover opening up the kitchen. And the other thing in the internal side I want to do, and this is the old maids area, because this was a 1960s construction when they still had domestic staff. So this will be kind of the laundry area. And maid's bathroom. There was a shower up there, and this was the maid's bedroom. I use maid in a non-gender specific meaning, but typically they were female. So I wanted to open space between these two columns here. They probably contain pipes way up and down. I'm guessing waste pipe and water pipe. They run up and down the length of the building. So I want to see if I can open at least a doorway there. I'll have a sliding door on the outside to allow access, and I'll turn this whole thing here into a bathroom. I will put opaque glass tiles in the end here and close all this off. Take this out, turn this into like a recessed shower area, if I can get approval from the building. So I need to find out if there's anything behind that wall. And I know there's the main electrical feed coming in, which will have to be relocated, but I want to see if it's all bricks. And then in here, I want to open a doorway here into the hallway, so that this can turn into that window has to be replaced. But I'll do a nice soundproofing double glazing window to cut out some of the road noise. And then bathroom door will open there, and the study door will open there. So I'm just channeling along to open it all up. Let's see if I can get you down here. Just keep an eye on what I'm doing. It's just cutting along to the plaster to find out what's behind. have it. Bricks all the way along. I just do 1 or 2 lines going up, and just to follow the line here for the doorway, take up to the door height, just make sure there's nothing else in the way, but I'm pretty sure there isn't. And then that gives us pretty much the go ahead to knock the doorways through. I see this fuse box here. I do expect to relocate that. It'll probably be just to the side of where the door was going to be. Might even the sliding door covering it, if I can make it flush with the wall. And so this will have a doorway, fuse box, second doorway. And I can line this up. Have a doorway here, fuse box to the left, other doorway here. So that should all fit. And this will just be a conventional door, probably opening inwards. So don't have to worry about a second sliding door. There you go. Lots of dust now to clean up. Of course, any sensible person will be wearing a mask. I'm just in a bit of a rush to get this done because we have the building engineer coming to give the sign off on whether or not we can make the changes. Hence we had to work out where the columns were to identify what the structural supports are, because we can't touch the structural supports. So there you go. Now I can get on with some cleanup.